Hey everybody, I'm Mike with Definitive Technology. We are here at our Vista, California headquarters to unbox the new ProCinema 6D Ultra Compact Surround Sound System. This is a great solution to experience the full 5.1 surround mix of your favorite films and TV with an ultra compact system. The ProCinema 6D is comprised of 6 speakers, including 4 satellite speakers, center channel, and subwoofer. Let's unbox it. Right on top is the user manual. Everything's packaged nice and securely. Here we have our satellite speakers and center channel. When you first unbox the speakers, they are wrapped with this scratch-resistant fabric. Newly designed right here in California, the ProCinema 6D is an update of our best-selling, market-leading ultra-compact home theater system, the ProCinema 600. We have totally renewed and reimagined these speakers. There's a brand new handsome grille, and our D-Dot logo sits proudly on the front of the speaker. We've upgraded the binding post to nickel-plated. Under the grille is our annealed 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter. Below that is our 3¼ inch BDSS woofer that provides superior mid-range detail and punchier bass compared to drivers of similar size. We've also added our linear response waveguide to the tweeter to help balance off-axis response and broaden the image field no matter where you are seated. The center channel includes all of these same technologies and really anchors the dialogue to the center stage. Now let's take a look at the subwoofer. Here's the included power cable, and here is the 8-inch 250-watt sub. There is an easy-to-access sub-volume control on the side to help cater the low end to your room and preferences. As you can see, we've changed the grille and logo on the sub as well. You can see the front-facing 8-inch driver here, and the down-firing base radiator to help with better low-end extension. The Definitive Technology ProCinema 6D is super compact for easy placement, but still boasts all of our top-of-the-line materials and technologies to bring big, detailed sound to your home theater. Let's take a look at how to set up the system. The first thing you'll need is an AVR with at least 5.1 channel capabilities. We are using a Denon X series here. You can wall mount the satellites using the threaded insert for an articulating mount, or use the keyhole slot. The center channel also has threaded inserts. If you prefer, you can place the speaker on a shelf or a stand. The front satellites should be placed about 6 to 8 feet apart with your TV centered between them. The surrounds may be located at the side or behind the listener. The center channel should be centered either above or below the TV. You can set the sub up anywhere in your room, although you should experiment with placement in your space to get the best performance for your home theater. Let's take a look at the back of the AVR. You will run your speaker wire from your satellites and center channel to the appropriate outputs on your AVR. For the subwoofer, you can use an RCA to RCA LFE cable from the LFE or sub out on the AVR to the LFE in on the sub. We have also included binding posts on the sub for speaker level connection. Refer to the user manual for more detailed setup instructions. That concludes our unboxing of the Definitive Technology ProCinema 6D. Once it's set up, you are all ready to enjoy full-range, detailed surround sound from the ultra-compact system your home theater deserves. Thanks for watching.